Pick the right tools, suffer less on repairs. This is Panda-Lab. Today, I'm bringing you a review of KELLYSHUN, CHIPQUIK, and Senju, 3 brands of medium and low temperature solder paste, in 5 dimensions. First, I want to praise CHIPQUIK's shipping packaging. Styrofoam box plus ice packs for fresh transportation. It fully follows the low temperature storage principles for solder paste. Upon opening the package, it also includes a tube of flux. And this is also the first brand to clearly mark the net content of 50 grams on the packaging. CHIPQUIK 138 total 67.4 grams, packaging 17.7 grams. 183 total 68.1 grams, packaging 17.7 grams. Here is a detail. It is equipped with this. It can prevent the solder paste from layering and settling. In addition, it has a sealed fresh lock design, and it fixes the solder paste at the bottom. It can avoid the solder paste flowing during transportation, and prevent it from getting on your hands when opening. For Senju, I purchased the repackaged version, not the original. The official store marks it as 50 grams. 138 total 56 grams, packaging 9.1 grams. 183 total 51.1 grams, packaging 9.1 grams. All deduct 2 points. KELLYSHUN 138 packaging states the weight is 50 grams. 183 weight 36 grams. It does not clearly specify whether it is net weight or gross weight. 138 total 50 grams, packaging 8.17 grams. 183 total 36.5 grams, packaging 7.97 grams. All deduct 2 points. Stir the solder paste. We will now check the melting point, solder ball condition, and flux state. CHIPQUIK 138 melting point 137 qualified. Solder balls are bright and transparent with a small amount of scattered solder beads. Flux is slightly yellowish. Deduct 1 point. Senju 138 melting point 137 qualified. Solder balls are bright and transparent with quite a few scattered solder beads. Flux is slightly yellowish. Deduct 2 points. KELLYSHUN 138 melting point 137 qualified. Solder balls are bright and transparent with no scattered solder beads. Flux is fairly clear. CHIPQUIK 183 melting point 177 barely qualified. Solder balls are bright and transparent with no scattered solder beads. Flux is clear. Senju 183 melting point 179 barely qualified. Solder balls are bright and transparent with no scattered solder beads. Flux is yellowish. Deduct 1 point. KELLYSHUN 183 melting point 181 qualified. Solder balls are bright and transparent with no scattered solder beads. Flux is slightly yellowish. In the low temperature solder paste, CHIPQUIK and Senju are both conductive. Both deduct 1 point. KELLYSHUN is not conductive. None of the medium temperature solder pastes are conductive. Finally, we cut open all 6 solder balls to check the cross section. In the low temperature solder paste, CHIPQUIK is uneven. Deduct 1 point. Senju is smooth. KELLYSHUN has pits and dents. Deduct 1 point. In the medium temperature solder paste, CHIPQUIK has a smooth cut surface. Senju is uneven. Deduct 1 point. KELLYSHUN is smooth. This concludes this review. In medium temperature solder paste, CHIPQUIK scores 10 points. Senju 6 points. KELLYSHUN 8 points. In low temperature solder paste, CHIPQUIK scores 7 points. Senju 5 points. KELLYSHUN 7 points. KELLYSHUN 183 would also be a full score if not for insufficient weight. For such a big brand to make the product so well, is it acceptable to fall short on weight? Moreover, the product packaging states it needs refrigeration, yet it did not provide fresh transportation like CHIPQUIK. The previous highest score was Weiyuan 183 with 9 points. Because CHIPQUIK flux is non-conductive, it leads by 1 point. Finally, we have a full score contestant. From packaging to actual performance data, I hope all brands will follow CHIPQUIK's example. Which brand would you like to see reviewed next? Comment in the comments section. Panda-Lab. See you next time.